As per the conditions of a given problems, first draw its top view of a square pyramid, then draw its front view. Locate the section plane which bisects the axis and incline to HP at a 30 degree. Now observe here this section plane cuts the slant edges of a given pyramid. Then draw its top view. And looking in a perpendicular direction to section plane, draw its true shape. So first draw top view with the given data, so that in top view the square appears with all its base sides equally inclined to VP. So by using the minute after, we can draw this square very speedily and accurately. Give the dimensions. Label the corners A, B, C, D. Then draw its slant edges. The slant edges should be very faint. Then project all these points for front view. Locate the axis line. So as per the data, draw the axis height. Again join all these points, base points with the vertex. Again this should be the very faint. So axis height is 60 millimeter. Now label the corners in front view as A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. Vertex V will be the V dash. Now locate the cutting plane which bisects the axis. So pick up the midpoint of axis at a 30 millimeter. So draw this horizontal line which will help us to set cutting plane or section plane at an angle of 30 degree. So draw this section plane as per the data given in problem. Now locate the points where this cutting plane cuts the slant edges. The slant edges are AC, BC, AV, BV, CV and DV. So correspondingly the points will be the point A which shifts in top view on a slant edge AV. Now to shift the points P and D which will lie on slant edge B and D. So for this we have to adopt the different procedure. So shift the point B dash and D dash in front view on a true length. True length is a V dash C dash because its top view VC is a parallel to VP, so V dash C dash shows its true length. Now from this V dash C dash, shift all these points on a VC. Now take the distance in compass and shift all these points in top view on VD. and VB. Here we have to recall the concept of projection of lines. Now where the VC is in line VC is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. So the points B and D are located. Now shift the point C on slant edge VC in top view. Thus we'll get the points point A, point B, C and D. Join these points by means of a straight line. Now this geometric shape formed by all these 4 points indicates the sectional top view. Now we have to represent the hatching line or a section line. So set the minute drafter at a 45 degree. All these lines should be at a 45 degree angle, and hatching line or section lines should be equispaced. The distance between these two lines should be 2 to 3 millimeters, and all these lines should be parallel to each other, maintaining the uniform thickness and darkness of all lines which we are drawing to represent the sectional top view. So label it as a sectional top view. Now we have to draw the true shape of a given section. Now for this, draw a reference axis which is parallel to the section plane. Now before this, shift all these cutting points to draw the true shape. Now draw this x1 y1 axis. Now in top view, the geometric shape form is symmetrical about the slant edge AC. So take these benefits and shift the corresponding point. Now to locate the point B, locate it on its corresponding projections which we have drawn for true shape. So the point A and C will lie on x1, y1, and point B and D are marked with the help of a compass. Now join all these points to indicate the true shape of a given square pyramid. Again, draw the hatching lines in this true shape. All these lines should be equispaced, parallel to each other. Draw it carefully because this is somewhat tedious work. Thus our solution is completed. Now dark the slant edges in front view and top view. Thus complete our solution. Control the line thickness and darkness.